Here we've got AADHavan now working on his hip to leg. Good shot. All right, good. Well watched. Watch it right onto that bat. All right, wait for it a little bit longer. AADHavan, just slowed it down a little bit. Bend those knees. All right, good. That head still, eyes level, really watching that ball. Well tried. Great shot, good one. All right, well struck, left leg in line. No, AADHavan, where was your left leg then? Yeah, make sure, don't move it until you pick up the line of the ball, yeah? Better. Hit it a bit earlier. Try and hit it a little bit earlier. Great shot, that's the one. Beautiful shot. Great shot. Great shot, AADHavan. Perfect. Feel that one come out the middle of the bat. 4 runs, beautiful shot. Great shot, and again. Excellent. Great shot, AADHavan. Brilliant. And again, keep working. Right, what didn't happen there? Didn't get your left leg in line with the ball, so you got bowled, yeah? Straighten up those stumps a little bit, they're a bit splayed out. Pull that one in, yeah. So working hard on getting your left leg in line with the ball, yeah? Shot. Good one. Great shot. Great shot. Great shot. Great shot. Really good. Right, I'm going to mix them up now. I'm going to put some on the stumps, and I'm going to put some down the leg side, so it's a bit more decision making. We're going to have to decide what one you're going to work. Just throw across things with it, son. And you decide doing like what ones are going down the leg side. Incredible amount. Ready? Well watched, good. All right, well watched, well struck. Move that yellow one out of the way. All right, unlucky. Well struck. Well struck. Good. Well done, AADHavan. Good. All right, well struck. What line was that on? That middle and off, yeah. But because you got into a good position, you were still able to hit it to the leg side. Great strike. Good. Great strike, lovely. Beautiful. Good. All right, unlucky. Gone for 4 over the keeper's head, AADHavan. Great shot. Great shot. Good. Good. Good, well watched. Move that yellow one just up here, AADHavan, just that one at the end. Well watched. All right. Keep watching it. Pick the right one. Great shot. Quick hands, AADHavan. Really speed up those hands. Try and hit it earlier, yeah? All right, good. Well played. Good. Good decision making. Well done. Well played. Good. Ready? A bit earlier. You all right? Okay. AADHavan, we're hitting it too late. That's why it's hit the gloves. You've got to hit it a full stretch a lot earlier. Show me. Hit it out there a little bit earlier. Yeah. All right? Don't let it get so close to you. You want to hit it a full reach. A little bit too late. Nice. Better. See the difference? You're hitting it in front of square. See the white line, the crease? You're hitting it in front of it. You're hitting it in that way. All right, keep working. Oh, good delivery. That's your first delivery in Test cricket from Pat Cummins. Well played, AADHavan. Beautiful. Keep waiting. Wait for that loose one. Good. Well played. Good. Unlucky. Hit it a bit early again. A little bit earlier. Try and latch onto it. Better. Better. Well played. Brilliant. Good. Shot. Don't bowl there at me. Well played. Good decision making. Keep working. Working on those balls. Good. Well played. Keep waiting for that loose one. Earlier. Hit it a little bit earlier. Good, well watched. And those knees, good. Shot. Over square leg. Toes, feet a little bit wider apart. Weight on that front foot. Left elbow. Good. Well played, AADHavan. Brilliant. Good. Ready, keep watching. Good. Good shot. Right, stop there. So decision making. So he's starting to understand.